Hi guys, welcome to another crochet tutorial with me, Laura, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this super quick and easy mini tiny flower. So perfect to go alongside my little mini heart I showed in my last video. Okay, so again for this tutorial, just like my little mini quick heart pattern, I'm using a DK light worsted weight yarns. It's a yarn weight of 3, and with that a 3.5mm E4 crochet hook. But you can use any yarn and any hook size suitable for the yarn you're using, so it's a really good yarn scrap project. So very similar to the little mini heart in my other video, we're going to start off with a slip knot to begin. Little slip knot, and we're going to chain 3 this time. So chain 3. 1, 2 and 3, chain 3. Then in our first chain we're going to do a double crochet. So in UK terminology that's a treble. So yarn over, go into that first chain that you made and do a double crochet. Then we're going to chain 2, 1 and 2, and we're going to slip stitch in that first chain as well. Do a little slip stitch. Okay, that's your first petal. So we're just going to repeat that 4 more times. So I'm going to chain 2 this time, 1 and 2, and do a double crochet in that first chain. Double crochet in there as well, and chain 2, 1 and 2, and then slip stitch in that first chain. Do that 3 more times, chain 2, 1 and 2, double crochet, all in that first chain hole, slowly gets bigger over time. Then chain 2, and then slip stitch in the first chain hole. Okay, do that twice more, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, all in that first chain hole. And then one more time, unless you're making a shamrock, a lucky shamrock that is, chain 2, 1 and 2, 1 double crochet, chain 2, and slip stitch, all in that first chain hole. And there we go, we're done. So I'm going to cut our yarn. Then it's going to pull that through, and then going to hide this tail end on the back. So I'm going to get a yarn needle for this one, and I'm going to take the tail end we would just cut, and I'm just going to sew that, not right for the middle, but just through the fabric of the next petal, just so it holds onto something. So that tightens that, and then your yarn's at the back, and you can use these tail ends for tying onto a gift. And there's your little flower. Very quick and simple mini flower, perfect to go with your teeny tiny mini heart if you want to. So there we go, hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Hope it's inspired you to create some fun decorations for gifts or just for yourself. And I'll see you soon for some more crochet fun. And like I said in my last video, I won't be uploading in March because I'm away in Japan, but do check me out on Instagram, where I will still be posting things, maybe even some videos and some exclusive Japanese style crochet patterns. So go check me out on Instagram, links up there. I'll see you soon for some more crochet fun. Thanks for watching guys, bye.